will talk about how can you fix this problem on your design home app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to this list, and all you have to do, just go down here, then you click here on apps. So then come to apps list here, and here can you looking for design home app, or just click here on search. So then you add here design home, then it's going to take you to next step here, then you just click here on force stop, then you click here on OK. So then you go down, just click here on storage, come to storage list here, then you click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, just click here on Play Store here, and here search for design home. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, just click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.